If I open it up, you see the seminiferous tubules, but you can't see individual ones. I told you there were a huge number of seminiferous tubules in here. So you're not going to see anything individual. But if I put pressure on it, you see the fluid coming out? Yeah, they are. They were in fluid, but even in natural. Remember the testicular fluid that's got to get reabsorbed by the epididymis is coming from the testes. All right, with respect to this particular structure that you have on the outside, you see the C-shaped structure. This is the head of the epididymis, this is the body, and this is the tail. And I don't believe I didn't get to that picture. Where the heck was it? Well, another important thing is this gubernaculum. Do you see this knobby structure that you have right here? Mm-hmm. This is, it's on the list, isn't it? Still, somebody?
What's the name of it?
Gubernaculum.
I saw it on the pre-lab.
Yeah, okay. But this is a structure that is, it's up in the abdominal cavity. Here's abdominal, here's scrotum down here, okay? So early in development, this structure is all inside the abdominal cavity. And it is attached by this long cord that stretches from the bottom of the testis all the way out here into the scrotal sac. It's fibromuscular. And what happens is it starts contracting. It's free up at this end. It's attached down here. So if it starts contracting, do you understand that the only option is for it to follow the contraction pathway? Here it is going through the inguinal canal, and then it comes out here into the scrotal sac. And when it gets out into the scrotal sac, it is still attached. In other words, with all these tubes coming out of it, do you want this particular testis to be doing this? No. Actually, it's a condition that torsion of the testes, and it's not pleasant, okay? Normally that does not happen, but that gubernaculum still tacks it down. It still has it attached at this point. So know that this is the gubernaculum. On the other side, you have the vas deferens. And I thought this was all dissected. I was going to pull it out. This right here is the vas deferens, or ductus deferens. And again, if you look at it, it's coming down here almost to the gubernaculum. It's actually coming over here from the tail of the testis. So one side has the epididymis, the other side is going to have this vas deferens. You can see that this vas deferens, right here, you see the shadow there, is part of this whole structure. This whole thing, if I put a circle around it, is what?
The spermal cord.
Spermatic cord. This is all spermatic cord. The only other thing I think that we need to do is this. This is the sweater. This gets peeled off. This was tunica albuginea. This is tunica vaginalis. Okay? But the others, I'm not sure that there's anything else. That's a good one. This is kind of dried out. This has been, yeah, this is definitely the best one. I mean, you see the same things in here. Actually, there is one other thing. You see all of these, this dark stuff right here? This is the pampiniform plexus. This is all venous blood, and it's really quite extensive, as I believe we showed you with the pictures. This one hasn't been cut at that point, I don't think. No, it would be up in here a little bit further. You can kind of see it on the surface. You see all that black? Mm-hmm. That's part of that pampiniform plexus. Any questions on this? All right, the other thing